Hello guys, are you a struggling freelancer or content writer or digital marketer to generate passive income from your freelancing services? Here I bring the perfect solution for you. Hi, this is Jayant, and this video I am going to tell you about Calendly and how you can connect it with your appointment landing page. In last video I have given you an idea about how to create appointment landing page. So in this video I am going to tell you how to connect Calendly account with your appointment landing page for the dental industry so that you can generate massive leads for your business. Stay tuned and feel free to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get started. First of all, just log into System Funnel Builder tool. Select the theme or template or landing page for which you want to connect your Calendly tool. Just follow my step-by-step approach and stay tuned with me. You have to make sure that you have to have an account on Calendly so that if someone fills the appointment form, then they will redirect to your Calendly account and thereafter they will join one-to-one strategic call with your Zoom app. You can join Calendly from the link in the description below. It's totally free of cost, no need to pay anything. I hope you can join, and it's free of cost. Even credit card is not required to join Calendly. Okay, make sure you have to have thank you page to connect your Calendly account with the appointment landing page. Just go to edit code, new event type, inline embedded, copy the code, paste in the HTML code box. That's it. In this way you can connect your in this way you can connect your Calendly account with your appointment landing page. You can also connect your Fiverr gigs affiliate link inside the landing page. That's it guys, I hope you like this video and this video adds some values in your freelancing journey. If you have any question, any doubt, and if you like to watch similar kind of powerful videos, then feel free to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications. Thank you so much.